What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be opening up a Tier 3 Wave 1 Naruto Caillou booster box. So let's get into it.
You don't care if I'm alive or dead, as long as I don't become a threat. Delete these viruses that you spread, uninstall your software from my head. From the beginning you washed my brain.
Alright, cracking open the booster box, and there we have it. We got 18 of these packs to open up. We are on the hunt for those silver AR cards. So hopefully we can pull some more today. I believe we have about, I think we have 3 from the last time that I opened up these packs. But yeah, let's see if we can get some more. All right, cracking open the first pack. All right, so we got Neji. We got Choji. We got Tayuya. Ooh, nice. We got an SSR Broccoli. Nice. Ooh, and then our TGR. Ooh, I think this is actually a new one. I'm pretty sure. Oh, one. Yep. Sure enough, it is a new one. Let's go. Almost tempted to sleeve that up, but I don't really need to. Hope you all are having a great day, by the way. And, really appreciate all the support that y'all have been giving us, giving the channel. Appreciate it. Oh, no way. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Okay, so we got the other Wave 1 SP that is available for these Tier 3 boxes, the Obito SP. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. Guys, this card is amazing. The shine on it is awesome. And then, of course, our TR is going to be Jugo, but holy moly. Wow. I totally forgot there was another card to be sort of, I was about to put that in a clear sleeve. Now I got to put this in a black sleeve right here. Let's go. Oh, that's going to be so sick, guys, to add to the collection. I totally forgot about this card, but I am so glad I pulled it. So, heck yeah. Awesome. Sweetness. All right, next pack. Man, SP in the first 2 packs. Let's go. All right, so we got Shikamaru. We got Jubo. We got, oh, I forgot this guy's name. Oh, let's go. Awesome. We got Itachi SSR. Probably, it's so basic, but it's like almost in a vintage way. I don't know if like y'all agree with me on that, but I don't know. It's just like, I love it. And then we got a TGR that we have seen before. And if you guys haven't already, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Would be really appreciated. Ooh, okay, we got SR. Broccoli and, oh wait, is that a new Sakura TR? I've never seen her with a sword. Why? But yeah, guys, I just got a big shipment in. Well, I say big, but you know, we got probably about 4 to 5 boxes that just shipped in today. So we are going to have, the content kitchen is cooking right now. So, oh, let's go. We got a UR May. Sweet. I think actually, yeah, I do not have this one. This is awesome. Check it out. I absolutely love that blue background. She's doing her ice jutsu, right? I believe. Sweet. Whoa, I don't think I've ever seen this TR before. What the? That's number 3. Next back. But yeah, guys, the content kitchen will be underway very soon. I got tons of boxes to fill. Hopefully we'll have Connor back soon, probably next week, or the week whenever I actually post this, probably, or as of the day that we are filming, he'll be appearing probably next week. But oh, let's go. Oh, this is awesome. So we got a Konan AR, but it's the silver variant. Holy moly. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Man, these silver AR cards, they hit so different. These silver cards absolutely blow me away. I gotta keep my card. Oh, man. All right, first we got Naruto. We got Tamari. We got Hinata. We got Naruto. And then we got Neji TR. With passive experiences from opening up these cards, I usually get like 2 ARs, a UR, and an SP. So, ooh, Ino SSR. Have seen that one before. I'm not even gonna really bother sleeving it up because I have a bunch. Oh, we got this heat on our TR. We got an SP out of the second pack, so still have plenty of packs to go in order to get even more awesome cards. We got a Rock Lee SR and a Minato TGR. All right, we got Konkoro, Shino, Sakura, ooh, and a Neji SSR. To the back we got Naruto TR. This is number 1. I don't think I had this one either. It's the little things. When you're trying to complete the entire Caillou series, pretty much, you gotta get those lower rarity cards first before you can focus on the higher rarity. So, all right, we got Shino, Naruto, Gamatatsu, Gigachata Matatsu, for those of you who don't, or for those of you who know. And, oh, sweet. Another Konkoro SSR. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, yeah. We love our Itachi TGRs. There's like, I think 3 or 4. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, guys, I have some of those Gaara. I've been seeing a lot of people open them up on YouTube. And I thought I was going to have mine when everybody else started getting theirs. But unfortunately, mine are still delayed. But the Gaara Tier 3 boxes, the Tier 3 Wave 5s, they are on their way. And so stay tuned, guys, because whenever those come in, I cannot wait. It's like, come on, it's the President Gaara YouTube channel. I will be darned if I do not open up some Gaara Tier 3 boxes. We got... Oh, let's go! Okay, so, oh man, that's kind of unfortunate, but at the same time, I do have this card. So, hey, but I am not complaining. These silver variants of the AR cards are obviously very rare, so getting one in general, I will not complain at all. That is so sick. The best chances are we get maybe another UR or an AR, because I think I actually got 3 ARs last time I opened up one of these boxes. We got Choji, and we got Naruto SSR. And Kakashi TR. That's number 14. I don't recognize that one. I probably have it, though. Anyways, guys, I hope that y'all enjoy the setup, because I worked really hard on trying to make it simple and, you know, neat for y'all, because I know a lot of you are used to watching these types of videos, whereas, you know, usually me and Connor are doing sort of a, you know, 2-man squad deal. But yeah, hope y'all are enjoying the just, you know, time with just me here. But yeah, we got Choza, because unfortunately Connor is sometimes not available. Gotta get the content kitchen flowing, so, you know, this you know, it's not a permanent change, obviously, but, you know, whenever I don't got my boy, my cameraman, then we change the setup a little bit. Oh, we got Shikamaru SSR. Nice. All right, we got next pack. We got Sakura, Shizune. Whoa, skipping forward a little. Neji and Asuma. With the stats on that one, we got Rock Lee, we got Naruto, ooh, and yo, oh, let's go. We got Kakashi, his Susanoo in the background. Can't get enough of this card. Sort of the same thing with the with that Sasuke card. Oops. Sort of same thing with that Sasuke Susanoo card. If y'all probably the SSR Sasuke Susanoo card that I'm sure y'all know. Can't get enough of those cards. Love the Susanoo. There we got 10-10. Ooh, we got Zabuza SSR. Another one of these Sasuke cards. Guys, it's our last pack. Let's see what we can get. I think we about capped, to be honest. But, hey, there might be a little bit of magic in here. Who knows? Who knows? We got Hinata, Naruto, and... Yo, let's go. Yo. Very epic. Very nice. Very nice. We got a, oh man, he is not the 6 tails. He is the 4 tails. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trying to count the tails. I'm pretty sure he's the 5 tails. Mr. 5 tails. Or 4 tails. Y'all know better than I do because y'all have access to the internet right now. I don't. But yeah, let's go ahead and speed this up. Guys, we got some awesome cards. Let's go ahead and do a recap.
Delete these viruses.
All right, so starting off, we got some of our SSRs. We got Itachi. We got Rock Lee. Then for our URs, we got, oh man, what is his name? Somehow, Han? Is that it? I'm pretty sure it's Han, right? Am I right? I think I'm right. So, yeah, we got Jinchuriki Boy. And we got Mizukage. May. And then we got another awesome Kakuzu AR. And then for the first time, we got Konan AR. Silver variant, awesome. And then we got our Holy Grail, the Obito SP. Number 004. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank y'all so much for watching and tuning in. I know it's a little bit of a different video, but I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Go share this video to your friends. For those, your friends that might like these cards, just aren't really familiar with the President Gar YouTube channel. Go ahead and share it to them. And yeah, let's get this channel out there, guys. The community is growing, and I am so happy to be a part of it and be able to open these cards for you. But yeah, y'all take care. We will see you on the next video. God bless and goodbye.